What's up, guys? It's Ryan Small here. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the U.S. dollar index. So here we have the weekly chart where prices have been clearly moving in a downtrend. I've drew this all out, months ago, so don't pay too much attention to that. Actually, let me just make it a little cleaner. Okay, yeah. So price has been moving in a clear downtrend. Most recently, we got price defined to support around this area in this demand zone, and price rejected out of it, came back down towards this weekly support, and then rejected from that. And right now on the weekly, I can potentially see price um, either is going to reject from this monthly resistance where we're at right now, or I can see price pull up towards this 95.50 and form this double top to hit my black EMA and possibly reverse. Because right where price is at right here is a good area, but I understand that this 95.50 area has like multiple confirmations of a possible sell because you have price hitting a weekly resistance, you got price hitting a key descending trend line, you got price hitting my black EMA, and it will also be giving us a double top pattern for the new lower high to potentially make a new lower low coming back down. So that's on the weekly chart, and then coming back down to the daily chart, you can see price action a little bit cleaner. And right here in this area right here, it's looking like it could be a potential head and shoulders pattern. I don't like to just take my entries based off of reversal patterns or whatever, but this right here is looking pretty clean. So as you can see, you got your lower highs, lower lows coming down. From here, you got an inverted head and shoulder. This would be your shoulder, this would be your head, and then this would be your shoulder. And then this inverted head and shoulder could potentially lead into this head and shoulder coming back down. So it's like a reversal into a reversal for the overall trend possibly. So real quick, you can see you got your highs above here. You would draw your fib from there to there. You got your 61.8. That's where we're at around right now. So to open the week, if the dollar were to gain strength, I would like to see a rejection off the 61.8. Price find some resistance up in this area, so I could possibly look to short it back down. Let me see head and shoulders, just so you guys can see. This would be the shoulder. This would be the head. And this would be your shoulder. This could be your right shoulder possibly. And it will come down like that. So if this were to complete, I would like to see price pull back down towards this 92, 91 area, coming back into this demand zone. So that's where I'll look for my take profits to hit back around this 92.50, 92 area if we could get a weak dollar. If not, I see price pulling back up towards this 95 area. So those are the two scenarios right now. My bias, like I said, is short the dollar, but you can't just short it on a Sunday open. You need to see how the market opens on Sunday, and then maybe Monday you can start actually looking at the charts to do your analysis to see potential entry spots or whatever. So don't want to take too much time. That's just my bias on the dollar. Just for example, for my new people, I use TradingView for my charts. I know MT4 is where you actually have to process the trades, but MT4 is just like a 1990s version of Forex. So they'll have a bunch of like old school version of the charts to where they don't have all these new tools like the risk to reward, head and shoulder patterns, and measure tools, for example. So, and also TradingView has like every type of currency. So you can trade cryptocurrency. I mean, you can't trade, but you can look at cryptocurrencies. You can look at stocks. You can look at regular currencies. You can look at for almost basically anything on TradingView. On MetaTrader 4, they're limiting you to only forex pairs, and even on that, they only give you some forex pairs. On TradingView, you can even look up like the exotic forex pairs, the ones that you can't find on MetaTrader 4. So I like to mark up my charts on TradingView, and then I like to execute on MetaTrader 4. So just for a heads up, and I never place trades from my phone. So you people that are still, making phone trades, I would say you guys need to hurry up and upgrade and strictly do everything from your computer. You want to treat Forex as if it was a business. So you want to be 100% serious. You don't want to make all your business decisions from your cell phone when in reality, looking at the charts on your computer makes everything a lot more grounded to where you can see more clearly. You're not rushing. It's not like, you're out and you're barely being able to look at the charts and you see something real quick and you just make like a quick decision to buy. That's what I used to do when I was trading off my phone sometimes. So now that I don't trade off my phone anymore, I actually have to be at my computer to place a trade. If I'm not by my computer, I can't place a trade. And I feel like that, because I know who I am and what type of person I am, I feel like that helps me the most. So everybody's different. That might not help everybody, but for some people, that may be the key for the right direction to get you going. So probably going to post maybe one or two more videos for this week. Real quick, this is the dollar index. So if you guys have any questions, like I said in my other post, just send me a direct message on Instagram. My Instagram is @winningwithryan. So look forward to hearing from you guys, and hopefully this can play out towards perfection. We'll update you guys on how this went in the future. Let's make this money, y'all.